Hi viewers, today I am here with a new video on the topic reflection, which is a very important topic on coordinate geometry in ICSE examinations. This video is specially put on demand by my students. In this topic, we are going to discuss about the reflection of a point in x-axis, y-axis, x is equal to a, y is equal to a, origin and the invariant points. This topic comes as a 4 to 5 markers in ICSE examination. I have taken up the basics along with all the concepts of reflection, which will surely benefit all the students. I have even done graph based questions for your reference. So watch the video till the end. The two mutually perpendicular lines intersecting each other at 0 are called coordinate axes. The horizontal number line XOX dash is called the x-axis, while the vertical line YOY dash is called the y-axis. And the point of intersection O is called the origin. The position of a point in a plane is expressed by a pair of two numbers, abscissa and the ordinate. The abscissa concerning x-axis and the ordinate concerning y-axis are also called as coordinates. Reflection of points in a Cartesian plane, that is, the mapping and transformation of points when they are reflected in the line x is equal to 0 y-axis, y is equal to 0 x-axis in the origin, and also when x is equal to a or y is equal to a, that is reflected on any line. When an object is placed before a plane mirror, the image formed is at the same distance behind the mirror as the object is in front of it. To find the image of point in a line AB, let us consider AB as the plane mirror. The point P dash is the image of point P, and the line AB is said to be the mirror line, which will be the perpendicular bisector of the line joining the object and the image. Thus, the transformation that maps a point P onto P dash is called reflection. Rule for reflection in x-axis. Change the sign of ordinate and retain the abscissa. Means, for example, r minus 5, 4 is reflected in x-axis. So, the image r dash, the abscissa will remain the same, that is minus 5, whereas the ordinate changes its sign minus 4. So, the image would be minus 5, minus 4. While reflecting the point in y-axis, we'll change the sign of abscissa and retain the ordinate. So, for example, r minus 5, 4 is reflected in y-axis, so the image would be 5, 4. What will happen to the point when it gets reflected in the origin? Here, we'll change both the signs of abscissa and ordinate. We have come to the most important and difficult part to visualize, that is a reflection of a point in a line, say y is equal to a. Here I have taken the value of a as 2. So y is equal to 2 is a mirror line which acts as a perpendicular bisector of the line joining the object and its image. If we take the point r minus 5, 4, then a point that is M, on the line R dash is the midpoint with the coordinates minus 5, 2. Using the midpoint formula, we can find the y coordinate, which will be 2a minus y1 being the y coordinate of the object. So we can use this as the general formula, 2a minus y1, as abscissa remains the same. So the point to be noted is, if reflection on y is equal to a, abscissa remains the same, and whereas in the reflection in x is equal to a, the ordinate remains the same. So here the y coordinate will be 2a minus 4. So 2 into 2, the a is 2, 4 minus 4, 0. So the image of the object r minus 5, 4 is r dash minus 5, 0. Now let us see the reflection of a point in a line x is equal to a. I have taken here the value of a as minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2 is the mirror line, which is a perpendicular bisector of the line joining the object and the image. R minus 5, 4 and r dash x, y. M is the midpoint of the line joining r dash with the coordinates minus 2, 4. In this case, y coordinate remains the same. By using midpoint formula, we can find the general formula of x coordinate, that is 2a minus x1. x1 being the x coordinate of object. On putting the values of a and x1, we get the image r dash as 1, 4. What are invariant points? Any point that remains unaltered under a given transformation is called an invariant point. Point r minus 5, 0 is said to be invariant in x-axis. Similarly, if we take another point q, 0, 3, it will be invariant in y-axis. So, if x is equal to 0, then it will be placed on the y-axis. So, it will be unaltered on the y-axis. So, it will be invariant in y-axis. Similarly, if y is equal to 0, it will be placed on x-axis and it will be unaltered in x-axis. Hope you understood all the necessary concepts of the topic reflection. Now, we are all set to do questions based on the learned topic. Are we? Yes. Let's do some questions. Based on the concept of reflection which we studied, let us fill the missing information in the given tabular form. In the first step, P 5, minus 7 and the transformation is in x-axis. So what will be the image? P dash will be 5, 7. Correct. Next, R minus 2, minus 3 and r dash is 2, 3. So both the ordinate and abscissa have changed. So it's in the origin. Correct. Next, y-axis is the transformation and q dash is the image 1, minus 2. So the answer would be q minus 1, minus 2. Absolutely. Now s minus 3, minus 3 and s dash is minus 3, 3. Change in ordinate. So it's x-axis. Yeah. A 1, 2 in the origin, it will become a dash minus 1, minus 2. B minus 2, 3 and the reflection is in the line x is equal to 2. As told, if x is equal to 2, the y coordinate will not change. So it remains 3 and x coordinate will be changed as 6. Yes, 2a minus x. So 2a is 4, 4 minus of minus 2 will be 6. Right? So the image is b dash 6, 3. Yeah. Okay. Now next is C 1, 1, y is equal to minus 1. So if the reflection takes place in y is equal to a, then the x coordinate will not change. It remains the same 1 and the y coordinate will become minus 2, minus 1, that is minus 3. So the image would be C dash 1, minus 3. How many of you got it correct? All correct. Yes, put it in the comment section please. Let us answer this question. Using graph paper, plot the points P 0, 5 and Q minus 2, 4. P is invariant when reflected in an axis. Name the axis. So first find the axis and then find the image of Q on reflected in the axis found in 2 and write the coordinates of Q dash. Fourth is 0, K on reflection in the origin is invariant. Write the values of K. Join the coordinates OQ, PQ dash. Write the geometrical name of the figure thus formed. This is a question asked in ICSE board examination for 4 marks. So let us answer this question by drawing a graph. First, let us plot P 0, 5 and Q minus 2, 4. When reflected P 0, 5, it is invariant in y-axis. So, reflecting Q minus 2, 4 in y-axis, we get Q dash 2, 4. Now, on joining OQ, PQ dash, we get a geometrical figure named kite. Now, 0, K when reflected in origin, it is invariant. Hence, the value of K is 0 because only 0, 0 is invariant in the origin. So, we have come to an end of this topic, reflection. Hope you liked this video where we saw the complete concept of reflection and a graph-based question for your reference. I posted 2 more questions of graph-based question which has come in ICSE examination. Please do them, and if you face any difficulty, you can post them in the comment section, which will be answered in my next video. Coming up next is more interesting and important concept. Don't miss it. Until then, bye. Take care.